Hello students. Today I'm trying to make this video on how to create an equation to measure the angle or measure the value of the variable from the figure. So my plan is to show you one of the problem from 17 and 18 and show you the step. I hope if you follow those steps and you'll be able to do any problems regarding a bisector. So the first thing I would like you to do is, if you see a figure in a geometry, I would like you to draw it for each problem. So let's focus on 18 here. Let's focus on number 18. Number 18 said, before I read here, I would like you to read from the top. It said algebra in figure. The line BA, double arrow sign here. If you see double arrow, that could make the line BA. It has arrow sign. That means this line is continuous to the both directions. Line BA and line BC are opposite rays. BD, if you look at the BD here, bisects angle EBC. To do this problem, number 18, I'm going to draw the same figure in a separate sheet of paper. So let's try this. I'm going to label it. I'm going to draw it first. So take your time to draw this figure in your notebook. The important part of this problem is this line here. BD bisects angle EBC. So if you want to locate this BD, if you see, let me label this first, A, B, then this is F here, this is E, then this is here D. So in the question, this is the important part of this question is BD bisects angle EBC. BD is this line that bisect. Well, bisect means cut into half. So BD, I'm going to write another pen. BD bisects angle EBC. If you look at EBC here, EBC bisect the cut into half. That means this angle here, EBD, is congruent to DBC. Congruent means they are same, equal. The measure of these two angles is equal. Second step, after you drawing this, your second step would be you label it as they say in the question. So how do I label it? They said here angle EBD is 4x, like EBD is 4x minus 8. And also, if you look at the question, so angle EBD is 4x minus 8, and angle EBC, the whole thing from here to here, together. So if you label together from here to here, I'm going to make an arrow sign so that you can see. So is 5x plus 20. So I'm done with labeling. If you have a different color pencil or pen, it is easy for you to see what I mentioned here. So again, EBD is 4x minus 8, and the whole thing EBC is 5x plus 20. According to the question, is said BD bisects angle EBC. Bisect means cut into half. That means if if this angle, which is EBC, is 4x minus 8, DBC must be same as 4x minus 8. That means they are same. If you understand that, you also understand that if I multiply 4x minus 8 by 2, I should get 5x plus 20. So you would like to multiply this 4x minus 8 by 2. Why did I multiply by 2? Because BD bisect angle EBC into two equal parts. That's why if I multiply this one part with 2, I should get same measure of angle as 5x plus 20. Therefore, I'm going to write, if I multiply 4x minus 8 by 2, should be equal to 5x plus 20. So you wrote an equation from the figure, and then you'll solve it for x. We don't know what is x equal. Therefore, I'm going to show you how to solve this for x. To do that, I'm going to distribute this 2 to the both sides. That make you 8x minus 16 equal 5x plus 20. Then you need to get the x in one side. So 5x is smaller. You subtract 5x from both sides. Therefore 5x minus 5x, they cancel each other. 8x minus 5x is 3x. Then I didn't do anything with negative 16. I'll write it here. Equal sign underneath the equal sign and 20 here. Now I need to get the 16 to the other side, as I need the x alone in this equation. Therefore, you will do the opposite operation. This is negative 16. Opposite is positive 16. Cancel. Negative 16, positive 16. Therefore, 3x equal 20 plus 16 should be 36. So once again, 3x equals 36. I need to get the x alone. So this is 3 times x. You do the opposite operation of time, which is dividing. So you divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. Now you get the x alone by itself. So your x equal 36 divided by 3, which is 12. So we know, now we know what is x equals, the unknown variable from this question. If you look at number 18 again, they said find the value of x. We did find the value of x, which is 12, and the measurement of angle EBC. EBC, the whole part, which is 5x plus 20. So now I know what is my x equal. My x is 12. So if I plug this 12 into here, so my measurement of angle EBC should be 5. In the place of x, you should write 12 plus 20. 5 times 12 is 60 plus 20 is 80. So this, the whole angle is 80. If you are wondering, if the whole thing is 80, this must be half of it, which is 80 divided by 2 is 40. So you should, if you substitute x with 12, you must get 40. Let me try that. So therefore, although they didn't ask for this, for understanding, EBD must be 40, right? Let's try it. 4 times x, which is 12, minus 8. 4 times 12 is 48. 48 minus 8 should be 40. Ta-da! So it's 40, 40, right? 40, 40 gives you 80. I hope you understand it. I mean, once again, remember, whenever you see a figure, your first job is to draw it and label it for you to understand. I hope you get it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.